What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 7th iGraphics tutorial from the solve.com, and in this video we're going to teach you guys how we can work with the iSetTimer. Well, the iSetTimer is a method who help you to call another method after a certain portion of time. Suppose you want to call the method after 1 second, so the first parameter would be after how many milliseconds he will call, and the second parameter would be which method he will call. So in this video we're going to make an animation that the ball will get to the left side of the screen, and then when he reaches the border, then he will start moving on the right side, and until he reaches the other side of the border. So let's start. First, let's create a method and name it ball movement. Okay. Okay. Then create the iSetTimer before the initializing. Remember, if you write down the iSetTimer after the initialize, it won't work. So make sure you set it on before. Make sure you set it before the initialize. The iSetTimer. So iSetTimer, and the first parameter will be after 25 milliseconds. Then the ball movement. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to call the method after 1 second, then you're gonna have to give 1000 millisecond. So 1000 millisecond equals to 1 second, but I would like to call the method after the 25 millisecond. So that's why I set it on the 25. Now in the ball movement, let's just consider that if the ball direction is equals to 1, then it will travel down the left side. So so now we're going to write that if the ball direction is equals to 1, then it will travel to the left side. So the ball position x would be decremented as the left side. If we travel to the left side, then the position of the x will be decremented. So suppose I would like to set it on the 4 pixel in every call. Then if he reaches the border, so which is 0 on the left side, so if the ball position x is less than or equals to 0, then the ball direction would be 2. Okay, then else it means that if the ball direction is equals to 2, then it will travel to the right side of the border, So the value of x will be increment by 4 pixel. You can just change the value of traveling to 4, 8, whatever you want. I'll just set it on the 4. And if it reaches the border, then it will start traveling to the left side. So if the ball position x is greater than or equals to 400, then the ball direction would be 1. So okay, that's pretty much should work. Let's see what happened. Okay, as you can see, the ball is traveling to the left and right, but notice a problem with that. When it goes to the right side of the screen, it crosses the border. It's because the position of the x is actually right here on the left down corner of the ball. So if we just decrement the width of the image for the right border, then the ball will actually start moving to the left side when it hits the border. So let's do that. So as I know, the width of the image is 64 pixel, so let's just subtract that from the 400, which come up 336. So now if you run the code, let's see what happened. As you can see, when it reaches the border, when the image is reaching the border, it's traveling back to the left side. So I guess you guys have having a proper idea how the iSetTimer work, and and it will help you to make the animation in the game. So I hope you understand it properly, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.